how to fix your Instagram verification code problem. So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. By the end of this video, I'm going to be mentioning all the steps you can follow to fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is check your phone number. Make sure the phone number or email in your account is correct and active and you're using the exact one to verify yourself. If that is not the case, you want to try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data just to ensure a stable internet connection, or even try restarting your router. Whenever you get a code, you want to simply go ahead and check your SMS inbox or even the spam folder, because sometimes it is right over there. If not, then you want to simply go ahead and wait and click on the resend code button, which should go ahead and send you another code. If it's still not working, you want to check if your do not disturb is turned on, which will not show you your notification. If none of it works, simply try uninstalling and reinstalling the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.